We are here, we are here, we are here. One is amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EOR in USD. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the market. Last candle in the market to the right hand side. It's currently a doji. We're waiting for the next candle to form to engulf this previous to the upside or to the downside. And also that market can consolidate within the range of the doji. So let's identify what pattern is happening here. Think about the market spiking up here and dropping back down. This will be total one spike. We have first, second, third, fourth retest, market push down. So price action is coming from a double top and a retest, or three pushes to that top, the triple top. The price is trying to break the lowest low of that area. At the midpoint of that area, we have the high, mid, and the low. Market price action at doji also spiked that low. So we gotta look to see what happened as we walk down the time frame. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green candle just working its way up. There's also a pattern here, so we have that side by side, so it's consolidation with a little bit of structure. So price action, second last candle, third last candle are within each other. The market is in that consolidation, working its way sideways and trying to draw out a pattern. So far, we do have that first leg, and market's trying to shoot up for that second. If it does happen, second leg, third leg, and you're looking for the break and retest. Also, price action did break that midpoint, broke, came back to return. So we're still looking for that pattern to identify itself as a red, big red candle, a big green candle. It's going to push that market up and down. Overall, within that area, we do have the first leg, second leg, third leg. So we're looking for that engulfment pattern to the fourth candle in the market. We're looking for price action to engulf the fourth candle in the market, but show some type of pattern within this circle that's going to identify that market to push that W, may identify the retest, work its way up further. Headed down to the daily time frame. So market price is in that range here. We have multiple pushes down to that bottom. We do have that first, second, third overall W. The retest, market pushed up once, another retest. Price action is coming from a quadruple bottom, triple bottom, and a retest. The market's trying to come up. We can see that market trying to come up in this another pattern here, which is this playing out front double W, first, second, third. The market's pushing up. So we look at the break, the retest somewhere in this area for that market to push up. We did receive multiple spike up in that market. So price can be tagging that area for 3 spike ups and dropping down for a decline. So that'll be like just a top or quadruple top at this, maybe. Depending how far the market goes. I would say 4 pushes to the top. 1 overall. We got spike up 2, spike up 3, spike up 4, quadruple top pattern. 4 pushes to the top. Having a hard time to break. So you probably want to see a pattern form in this area that's going to show that the market's going to push up, or at least price action candle to engulf the six candle in the market, which is a wick. So you want to see price close up and close out above this 6 candle in the market wick, or show or form a pattern for that market to push up further. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. It's all reading the same thing. Daily 4 hours reading the same thing. It's an extension of candles. Markets works its way sideways, a little bit more consolidation. The low price on the earlier time frame, we did identify a pattern. As we can see here, it is the double bottom. Once again, you can see a lot clearer on the 4 hour, first, second, third, market up, pushing up for that fourth. So what we didn't receive, so it's the midpoint line, that area is the retest. So price, we're going to see if price going to come back to retest to work its way up further, or we may receive bullish candles for a break and retest for that market to go up. But we definitely want price to break above and close out a body or pattern to grow and close out above that wick. Headed down to the 3, doing the same thing. 4, 3. Headed down to the 2, same as well. Headed down to the 1. Okay, now we're getting a little bit of action. Let's see what's going on here. So on the 1 hour time frame below here, we are identifying not a double bottom, multiple pushes down to that bottom. Overall, first, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed. Hold on. First, second, third, fourth. So we got a double bottom, a retest, and then market pushed up once. So price action, lowest low area, midpoint. So we're still looking for that break and retest. We're going to see if market price is going to decline, retest this area here to work its way up for a W, or work its way down, M pattern, or consolidate sideways within that area. Price action, near price action, a pattern has formed. So if you think about it, price action tagged the area of resistance how many times? Price spiked up once, price spiked up twice, couldn't break. So that's a double top in that area. So we're going to see if it's going to keep on working its way up or it's going to decline. There's a chance that it can push up from what we see on the 1 hour time frame. Why? We do have body against the previous body. I mean, price action body is above the previous body. Price action wick is also above the previous wick. I can also draw another candle out to push that market up. But we do know from the previous side over here, we have long wicks to the top. We want to make sure price shows a nice pattern or close out above those wicks for that market to push up. 1 hour 45 identifying the same thing. And now we can see what candle it is. So second last candle was a push up. Price action now is a doji, which is a push up to the high. So market's showing out a double top. Still, like a break and retest of this level of the support, which is price action sitting on. Same as well on the 30-minute time frame. Now we can see the full retest. So we have a break and retest. So we have that first, second, third. Market can drop down for that M pattern or be respected for the first, second, third, respective support and push up for that W unless we get that consolidation sideways in the market. Headed down to the 5. So we're identifying market spiked up overall, first leg, second leg, third leg, and market's coming down. Trying to break this midpoint, sitting right on the midpoint. So we're going to wait for to see if it's going to affect it or break down and break further down in the market. Headed down to the 3. Now we're receiving consolidation, so we can see the pattern much clearer on the 3-minute time frame with the first leg, second leg, third leg, and the fourth leg. We didn't receive the break yet. Why? Price action, second last candle, third last candle are within each other, within the third last candle, which create that consolidation. So markets is tightly jumping around, so we're waiting for a breakout of the third last candle to close out or pattern in that area for that market to push up further down. This structure here got some empty spots, so drawing out first leg, second leg, third leg, and market just consolidated sideways. So market's on that third leg, waiting for a pattern to identify itself for a big green candle, a red candle, or a pattern in that area. That's going to show that market's going to push up, push down. To find out what patterns in this circle, head over to Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet, click on Images, or Breakout and Retest Strategy, click on Images. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Your attention.